it's Modesty and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. How are you guys? Hi. Have you guys seen Ugly Dolls? My kids love that movie. Okay, so today is Wednesday, and as I said, I'm going to be reviewing the Jeffree Star Morphe collab eyeshadow palette for you guys. I was going to do like the whole collection, but I was like, okay, let's be realistic. You didn't want the brushes, and the only difference between the setting spray from Jeffree and the setting spray from Morphe is the color of the packaging, so here you go. Alright, totally kidding. But yeah, that is what I'm doing today. I'm going to be reviewing the Morphe Jeffree Star collab palette. So I'm going to be doing an eye look with you guys, first impressions, swatches, everything like that. That is what is on the agenda today. So if you guys want to see this, make sure you stick around. Stay tuned, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave if you have not, and also the notification bell if you are already subscribed and you haven't hit that. So yeah, let's just dive right into the review. Alright you guys, so I haven't even opened this puppy yet, so I can't remember like what it looked like. I saw a picture and I can't remember. So it says, "Hi, how are ya?" which is typically what Jeffree says. We all know I live for making a bold statement, especially with my makeup. The world needs color, and I'm serving up by the pound. I'm so excited to once again create magic with Morphe and bring this beyond stunning palette of velvety, vivid shades to life and into your hands. All Jeffree Star approved and created all for you. One touch and you'll be hooked, so dive in and explore your creativity. That couldn't be a more Jeffree Star statement. Let me just put that out there. So, comes in a pink unit carton, and then comes wrapped in bubble wrap just like most Morphe palettes, which I love. Nice and protected, and you got this nice cardboard, sleek looking packaging, Morphe x Jeffree Star. And it's kind of the same packaging as the Jaclyn Hill one, that cardboard, kind of really sturdy. You can easily clean it off, so I do appreciate that. Okay, we're gonna open it together. Oh, okay, there's that. Ooh, has a big old mirror too. Nice. Hey, look, it's my ring light. Okay, so here is the palette in all of its glory. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 30 beautiful shades in here. It is very Jeffree. Oh, wow. Look at the shade Millions right here. I literally thought when I saw it, I do remember that shade. I thought when I saw the picture of it that they put that little filter on it where you could put it over shimmery things, make it look more shimmery. I literally thought that's what they did, but no. That is bright, or that is like intense. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm just gonna swatch a few. I'm not gonna swatch every color, but I'm gonna swatch a few mattes, a few shimmers, and the pressed glitter just to see how they perform with my finger. So I'm just gonna start out, let's see, I'll swatch 3 shimmers. So I will do a combo of shades. So I'm gonna swatch 2 T.O. Ooh. There is 2, and I'm going to swatch Dog Mom, which is a peachy shade. These are all shimmers I'm swatching right now. That one's pretty. And then I'm going to swatch one more. I'm going to swatch Custom Rims. Those are all kind of like in the same range. I'm going to swatch one more actually, you guys. I'm going to swatch Drive Through, which is a Money Gold. So there are a few swatches of the shimmers. They feel in line with the Morphe formula. I would say they just feel a little bit smoother actually than the other Morphe ones, like their standard formula. But we'll see how they perform. So now I'm going to swatch a few mattes. So I'm going to swatch Self-Made, because this is a very Jeffree Star color, a hot pink. Ooh, that is buttery soft for being a bright color. Dang, man. This kind of color you expect to be chalky. It is not at all. Alright, and then I'm going to swatch Nate. Oh, because this is the color of his hair. Yeah, as I figured, greens are a little bit harder to formulate. I had to do 2 passes on that one. And then I'm going to swatch one more. I'm not going to swatch like browns and stuff because, I mean, they all look the same in the sense of just they all perform the same usually. I'm going to swatch Wake and Bake, which is another green, another really tricky color to formulate. This is like a moss green, and it's, ooh, that went on really well. And then last but not least, I'm gonna swatch Millions, which is that pressed glitter shade. Holy guacamole. Oh my lord. Okay, so let's start playing with these. I don't know what kind of, I don't even know what I like want to do. I don't know what I want to play with. There are tons of shades in here and I'm just like, I'm drawing a blank. Let's just start with the transition shade. So I'm going to be starting out with the shade 1985 right there. Just while I think about what I want to do. Blended really nicely. It's a good color too. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Mr. Diva right here. I'm getting no fallout, you guys, by the way. I'm just going to build it up on my outer portion in my crease and just kind of like buffing it in to there. Ooh, this is a really pretty like peachy orange. I'm living for this shade. It's very unique actually. I am loving it. I'm gonna grab this kind of precision fluffy brush and I am going to go, I don't know what I want to play with, to be totally honest. I'm gonna go in with Boss Angels right there. Oh my gosh, this is so pigmented, you guys. Holy guacamole. And I'm just going to start patting. Wow. That shade. And I'm going to buff it out with that fluffy brush again. Yes! Oh! Yes, I'm living for that color. Holy crap. This Boss Angels. Oh, wait, Boss Angeles. Ha ha! Kind of like Los. Oh, okay, I get it. I am retarded. Yes! You guys, this palette. Holy crap. I need some coffee. Not really. I probably don't need it. I don't need it. Let's go in with the shade Calabasas. Right here. I'm gonna go in with that same brush, I think. And I'm gonna keep this one super low. These are blending so well, you guys. I'm thoroughly impressed. This beats out the Jaclyn Hill formula. That's a bold statement, I know, but it does. It beats out the Jaclyn Hill formula. It truly does. Okay, so I am going to do a cut crease, so I need a little bit of concealer. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and just pat it on. Take a flat brush like this one and pat and carve that out. I'm gonna take this flat brush and we will begin to, oh, I might need my finger. We'll see. Yeah, I need my finger for that one. I could see why you called this shade Billions. It's money, money, baby. This, I don't say this word, but this shade is sickening. Like, this shade is crazy. Now, to kind of buff these edges. I'm gonna go in with the bronze shade right next to it called Girl. And okay, I don't want to get crap. Okay, I need to switch brushes because I don't want to get gold anywhere else. So I'm gonna flick that inwards. See how that's just starting to combine it? This is like a copper shimmer. Alright, so this look calls for some liner. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's see if I can do some fudging up makeup. We are gonna dive right into the under eye area. I'm just kind of baking my nose contour. And I am going to, do I want to do like different colors on the bottom, or should I just like stick with them? I think I'm gonna go ahead and just like stick with the colors I've been using just so that it looks in unison. So let me grab this little brush right here. This is the M326, and I'm gonna pick up the shade Calabasas and Los Angeles and bring them down here. And then I'm going to grab the fluffy brush, just Los Angeles and Mr. Diva mixed. And just kind of smoke that out. I'm actually going to keep it kind of simple on the under eye area. Taking the 40 Epic Mascara from Younique. Needed a little bit of eyeliner. I'm just going to take the shade Proper. This is the Moodstruck Precision pencil. That is not sharp at all. I don't know where a sharpener is, but whatever. Just a little bit to darken that. Alright, you guys, that completes this look. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with my eyeshadow, you guys. So let me give you guys my final thoughts on the Jeffree Star Morphe collab eyeshadow palette. I think the color selection is very Jeffree Star. It's super bright, yet bold, yet kind of edgy all at the same time, which is him in a nutshell. And I'm loving this money shade right here, or millions shade right here, dude. It's like, it's really, really, really good. A really good pressed glitter. You will definitely get a little bit of fallout with that, but that's because it's a pressed glitter. But I've had a lot more fallout with things that are less glittery before, so I'm not really complaining about that. When you have a pressed glitter, you're gonna have fallout. That's just the bottom line. These blended beautifully. I really loved the formula of the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, like the original one, not the Vault collection, but the original one. This beats that one out by a long shot. So that's a really bold statement, but it's a very true statement. So if you are wanting a refresher from, like, if you've been obsessed with the Jaclyn Hill palette and you're wanting like a refresher, go ahead and pick this one up. You have more bright colors. Jaclyn's is really good for like everyday wear slash slightly smoky, artsy. This is gonna be a good addition to that palette, I think, in my opinion. Amazing formula, really good mirror, good size palette. The packaging material is the exact same as the Jaclyn Hill one, so I like that idea of the packaging. It's easy to clean. It's so good, you guys. I love this palette and I cannot wait to use it more and more and more. I definitely want to do a look for you guys using these shades up here. I think this would be a fun one. These four right here. That might be my next one using this, or maybe go boom, 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 boom. We'll see with a little bit of orange, but like, I like how he has the shades laid out as well. So I'm really excited to play around with this and add this into my regular rotation. Let me know if you guys have tried this out. If you have, let me know your thoughts. And if you have not tried this out, go over to Ulta online or go to your local Ulta. It's, I think, available on the 8th in store. or it's available online at Ulta right now. So go check this out. I'm obsessed. I'm super glad I did this video. I'm super happy with how my makeup turned out. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, that is my thoughts on the Jeffree Star Morphe collab palette. Way to go, Jeffree. Way to go, Morphe. You guys killed it with this one. I'm so proud of you guys. And I cannot wait to play with this palette more and more and more and more. So I will have everything listed in the description box that I used on my face. So if you guys want to go check it out, you guys can. But other than that, I love you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and make sure to hit that subscribe button before you leave. And if you are already subscribed, make sure you hit that notification bell so you miss any of my uploads. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Goodbye.